Right, we're in the garage today. What am I going to do today? So the other day I took off, yeah, that's blacked over, that'll rub down. There's a little bit here, again that'll just rub down. This I think will mostly rub off. That is the only issue I think. But I've put that Q rust on it. It looks worse than it is, actually. I took all the stuff out of the boot, and that's here. The boot is now empty. And it looks quite clean, yeah. So, what am I going to do today? I think what I'll do today is take the air filter off, have a nose round, see if the carburetors, well, it'll be on there, won't it? But I just want to make sure the fuel pump's working. It's going to be the next thing. I took off the steering wheel, took off the indicator switch because that needs to be sorted. That's over in home at the moment, glued up. So yeah, I think now, today, take off the air filter, maybe take the rock cover off, maybe crank the engine over, maybe just have a look, see if I've got oil up to the spray bar. I think that's the next step anyway. And if I have, and I can get a remote fuel tank up here, I might try and start it.